Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our room here at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. Here is the bed, and you can see the really nice portraits of Mickey and Minnie on the sides there on the wall. Fun fact, you can actually buy those portraits in the gift shop. So if you're a fan of that, well, you can go buy some. It's pretty cool. So we have our bed here. Really nice. It's a little firm, but beds in Japan are a little firmer than what most people are used to. And we have this really nice headboard. I like that with Cinderella's castle there. Really nice wallpaper. You can see little Mickeys in them. And then we have some outlets here. And if you have the two-prong iPhone adapter, those will plug in here just fine. And this is actually how you turn on the lights above the bed. And don't worry, there's English on here, as you can see. By the window, we have this here that has all this information about the hotel. Well, this is Japanese, you don't need to worry about that. A lot of this information is actually on the TV. And in here there's actually 2 postcards that came inside. These are free, you get to keep these. These are really nice. Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. And then we have the nice envelopes in here. So if you're a fan of stationery, these are really beautiful. Got some letter paper here as well. And there's information here on this exclusive tote bag that you can buy for being a hotel guest. So you can get this down at the gift shop, and they'll be able to help you with that. It's 6,900 yen. And there's just more information here. Our room actually faces the park. As you can see Cinderella's castle, also Mount Prometheus at DisneySea, and you can kind of see way in the distance there, you can see the Tower of Terror. That's kind of nice, and you can see the monorail station there and everything too. There's this nice portrait up here. A little hard to see with the reflection, but you kind of see Mickey, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Minnie. Is there Pluto? I don't see Pluto. It's really, really nice. And over here, where the TV is, you can see Madame Wardrobe. And she's holding the TV. If you're looking for information on the hotel, you can find it here on the TV. So, first up, over here, when you turn on the TV, it's going to be in English, hopefully. And then you take the remote, and you're going to push the middle button here, which means confirm. And then this button down here means to go back. So, you're going to go down to notification, hit enter, and then you're going to be presented with all these different options. And you're going to look for how to use the Wi-Fi service, which is here. And then it's going to give you the ID of the Wi-Fi and then also the password. And there's also other information on here as well about the Happy 15 entry and refurbishment notices, power outage notices if there's anything happening, disaster drill notifications as well. If you have any questions about these, you can actually call the front desk and they'll be more than happy to help you out. Of course, Madame Wardrobe is very useful. She has a bunch of drawers. There's even a safe in here, so you can put your passport and any important documents in here. And down over here, we have pajamas. So we have these cute yellow pajamas. You got one for mom, dad, the kids. There's also a laundry bag here if you need laundry done. My favorites, Chip and Dale. What are they doing in here? Oh, it's a postcard. Oh, it's a hidden Easter egg. That's cute. Oh my goodness. I seriously just found this. That is awesome. And of course, these are my favorites. Over the mini bar, you're going to find these portraits of Cogsworth and also Lumiere. It's quite nice. And you're going to find the kettle. You boil your water for tea, coffee, And then we have this ice bucket, get ice down the hallway. And we have more outlets here. Again, they're the 2-prong. And your iPhone plug will work. And we got tea, coffee here, and stir sticks. And we got some nice mugs. And here's the price list for the mini bar. There's some stuff in here that is not free. So above here, we have some nice glasses, and then we have some different whiskeys, if you're into that. And then down here, we actually have the mini bar. You can see the Coke and also some beer. And we have 2 bottles of water. Those are actually complimentary. These are the only things that are free. And there's a closet here. When you open it, the light's gonna come on. That's awesome. And we have an extra pillow and blanket, and got your hangers here. And you're gonna have a little brush to clean your shoes. And you also get this complimentary bag. So if you're staying multiple nights, make sure you take this so they'll replenish it and you get another one. So right now it's Easter, so you get this nice Easter bag. And there's different characters on it and everything. That's super adorable. And there's also this little crib. Make sure you read the instructions for that. And then we have these slippers you can take. You can kind of see them here. Got Mickey on them. And there's also one for kids. By the entryway here, there's this gigantic mirror. If you look into it, you can actually see into the into the bathroom too. It's like an infinity mirror. And here you can just like put all your stuff. There's more outlets over there. And because it's Easter, there's more hidden postcards. That is so cute. Here is the bathroom, and it's actually split. We got the shower room here. Then we have the sink. And then we also have the toilet room. But we're going to look at the most important thing, the amenities. So we got bath gel, shampoo, conditioner, and we have a razor, and then we have this little amenity kit. And this is a hairbrush, and there's a bunch of toothbrushes, and also a little cup. So if you're staying for multiple nights, I suggest taking these because they will replenish them. And what's inside this little amenity kit here? Cotton swabs and everything. Q-tips. We definitely want to keep this. This is really adorable. This is the toilet room. And as you can see, there's a bunch of buttons here. Now don't worry, this is not too hard to use. So this is the stop button. So, you know, the red stop button, pretty universal. And then these are the 2 sprays. This is for your behind. And this is for the females, the bidet. So if you're a guy, you definitely don't want to press this one, otherwise you're in for quite the surprise. And here, this is going to control how powerful the water is when it's spraying. And this is going to move it back, and this is going to move it forward, the nozzle. And then up here, this is how you flush the toilet. So this is for a big flush on the left, and then on the right is a small flush. And that's pretty much all you need to know. We have this gigantic shower room. So what you're going to do is you shower here, and that's a little stool to sit on. And you control the water here. And there's English on here, cold and hot, so that's pretty easy. And then this is controlling the different types, because there's actually 2 spots for the water. So this bottom one is going to control this guy right here. And this one is actually going to control this one up here. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to get drenched, but so you have 2 different ones that you can use. And a nice little window gives some natural light from the outside. And then we have the large bathtub. And body soap, and there's towels here and everything. You know, everything you need to have a nice shower. It's quite nice. You can have a bar of soap here too. All right, Explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I showed you our room here at the Tokyo Disneyland Hotel. If you want to learn more, make sure to visit our website, tdrexplorer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube. All right, until next time, Explorers.